Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all had fun in your vacations during the period. So, I would like to welcome you all for the first standard. A warm welcome to you all. Let us have a lot of fun to study subject. I am Sonali and today we are going to learn first lesson from your maths textbook, that is numbers 1 to 20. In this lesson, we are going to learn the following points. First, we are going to learn to count and read the numbers 1 to 20. We are also going to learn to write numbers and their number names up to 20. To say what comes before, after and in between numbers. We are going to learn to compare two numbers which is greater in the sense it's bigger. We are also going to learn to set the numbers in ascending and descending order. So, before starting a lesson, let us have a small activity to count the numbers from 1 to 20. So, let us go for it.
Let's learn counting from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job, everybody! You counted from 1 to 20. Keep practicing and see you soon.
Let us recall some pre-number concepts. In that first one, A. Look at the following picture. Put a tick mark on the aeroplane flying above the cloud. You have to put the tick mark on that aeroplane which is flying above the cloud. And you have to put cross mark on the aeroplane which is flying below the cloud. Can you do this? Yes. So here we go now. The following aeroplane is flying above the cloud. So I am going to put a tick mark on that aeroplane. Now down there is one aeroplane which is flying below the cloud. I am going to tick mark here. So let us learn the second pre-number concept. There are three friends, Mike, Fatima and Ajit. Now let me know who is before Fatima. Can anyone guess it? Yes. Before Fatima there is Mike. And who is after Fatima? Ajit is after Fatima. So this is about the before and after. Now let us learn the third pre-number concept, that is far and near. You have to put a tick mark on the tree which is near. Yes, this is the tree which is near. So I have to put a tick mark here, and I am going to put a cross mark on the tree which is far from here. So this is the tree where I am going to put a cross mark because this is a far. Now let us learn the next, inside and outside. Now I am going to know which dog is inside and which dog is outside. Put a tick mark on the dog which is inside. Now this is the dog which is inside. So I am going to put a tick mark over there. Now there is one more dog which is sitting outside of the house. I am going to put a cross mark because that dog is sitting outside of the house. Now on and under. I am going to put a tick mark on a cat which is on the table. Here we go. This is the cat which is on the table. So here I am going to put a tick mark. Put a cross mark on the cat under the table. This is the cat which is under the table. I am going to put a cross mark on this cat. Now top and bottom. I am going to put a tick mark on the book which is at the top of those all books. There is a red color book which is on the top. So here I am going to mark that book. This book is there on the top. So let us go for the bottom now. There is a yellow color book on the table which is at the bottom of those all books. So here we are going to mark the yellow color book which is there at the bottom. Now let us learn the next concept, that is matching. Is there ice cream for each child? Match the drawing lines. Just you have to say yes or no. I am going to count the students. How many students are there? And then I am going to count the ice cream. So if the ice cream and the students are same, yes, then it is going to match. Now let us count the students available here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I am going to count the ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. We have to say yes. I am going to tick mark the yes because there are 6 students and 6 ice creams are available. So it is going to match. So we have to put yes. So now let us go for the next concept. Which has more? Now see in the following picture, 4 faces are there in the one side, and one more side there are 3 balls. So can you take mark which are the more here? Yes, you are right. The 4 faces is the correct answer. So you have to take mark there. Now I'm going to show you another example of it. Put a cross on the set of which has less. Now there are ducks and fish. At the one side there are fishes and on the other side there are ducks. Let us count the fish first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fish. And one more side. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 ducks. So I am going to put the cross mark on the set which is having less. Yes, the ducks are less than fish. So I am going to put the cross mark on the ducks. So let us learn with the next example. At the one side of the image there are 4 keys. And another side you can see there are locks. I am going to count the locks available here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5, 6. There are 6 locks and 4 keys. Now I am going to put a tick mark on the set which has more. Can you all guess which are the more here? Yes, you are right. The locks are more. There are 6 locks. So I am going to put a tick mark on the 6 locks. Now let us have next example. Now there are 3 hats and 5 faces. So I am going to put a cross mark where the less sets are there. Can you tell me which are the less here? Either it is hats or faces. Yes, there are 3 hats which are lesser than the 5 faces. So I am going to put a cross mark over there. Yes. So these are the examples to learn the pre-concepts. I hope you all have enjoyed this worksheet. Working on it. Thank you. Thank you, students. I hope you all have enjoyed today's session. That is to count and read the numbers and pre-number concepts. Tomorrow I'm going to start a second session of this lesson, that is to write number and their number names up to 20. Thank you.